Hi everyone. Today we're going to be examining the primate family, some of its social, physical, and intellectual characteristics in the attempts to answer our unit inquiry question, what sets humans apart from all other primates? The primate family includes some 200 living species including humans, apes, and monkeys. The largest known primate in history was the 12-foot tall, now extinct Gigantopithecus, and the smallest known primate is the mouse lemur, weighing only 3 ounces. What makes all primates similar is that they share characteristics in senses, movement, reproduction, intelligence, and behavior patterns. To begin, primates rely on vision. As you can see, our eyes face forward on our skull, which we call binocular vision. We use both eyes together, which allows us to see in color, to see 3D objects, and to have true depth perception. This is much different than other species who rely on sound or smell, and as you can see, their noses or ears might be more prominent than on primates. A second similarity in all primates is that they're very flexible compared to all other mammals. As you can see by their skeletons, they have a full range of motion in their hips, shoulders, their wrists, and many other joints, which allows for good climbing and hanging from trees. All primates also have opposable thumbs, which allows them to grasp small objects such as tools and branches. Humans are the only bipedal primates, which means they walk on only 2 legs, where all other primates are quadrupedal, meaning they walk on all 4. A third similarity is in reproduction patterns. Primates can only have 1 or 2 offspring at a time, and childhood is very long, in some cases upwards of 10 plus years. This accounts for the very large brain in primates, which also indicates the importance of learning in their development. Another common characteristic of primates is active parenting. You see that there's a very, very strong bond between parents and children. A third feature in all primates is intelligence. And as you can see, their brains are significantly larger in proportion to body size compared to all other mammals. In fact, humans have the largest brains relative to body size of all primates. In fact, theirs is 3 times larger than all other primates. As mentioned earlier, the long childhood means that brains take years versus months in other mammals to fully develop. And this is a major reason in why primates have the ability to manipulate their environment, and in the case of humans, even think abstract thoughts. Finally, all primates are social animals, which means they live in groups. They have a tendency to recognize individual differences within that group, and status is very important. They have a mutually agreed upon and recognized chain of command, or a mutually agreed upon or accepted dominant individual within the group. Many primates live in a family unit, and some primates even find a single mate for their entire life. This differs from many other species that simply live in herds or schools that have no clear social hierarchy or chain of dominance. Here's some other random facts about primates. Other than humans, chimps and baboons are the most intelligent of the apes. In fact, they have rudimentary culture. Rudimentary culture means they have the ability to use tools, and generations are able to learn from one another. As you can see here, chimpanzees use sticks as tools to attempt to get bugs out of holes. Chimps hunt cooperatively, and they even share their meat. Chimps even have a large repertoire of calls, facial expressions, and body gestures. Because of their social nature, communication amongst individuals of a group is very, very important. The primate species is believed to have existed now for some 65 million years. The first undisputed primate fossils dated approximately 55 million years ago, whereas the first monkey-like fossils dated about 40 million years ago. All primates are believed to originate from a common ancestor, and over the past 65 million years, there have been many splits along the way. This accounts for the great diversity in the primate species that we see today. About 7 million years ago, there's the split between the humanoids and all other primates, and about 5 million years ago, that's where humans begin to develop as a unique species. Orangutan, gorilla, chimp, and baboons are closest to humans. In fact, there's only about a 1 to 2% difference in the genetic makeup of these species. Having only existed for approximately 65 million years, primates are a relatively new species to this planet. Humanoids made their split from all other primates only 5 million years ago. It is their intelligence that truly allows them to separate from the pack, so to speak. Stone tools are first used 2.5 million years ago. 2 million years later, we see the first use of fire. Expression in the form of cave paintings appears about 30,000 years ago, and the development of farming and agriculture develops only 12,000 years ago. It is agriculture that truly allows humans to develop their complex cultures and civilizations and ultimately develop into the advanced species that we are today.